Oops, you know. Hi! Happy birthday, Justin! Sana napasaya ka namin ngayon, araw na ito. Pero mas masaya ka kahapon dahil alam ko wish mong makapunta sa NASA. At baka dream mo rin maging astronaut. Happy birthday! Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Alam kong matutupad mo yon kasi masigla ka eh. Lalo na may tungkulin ka na ngayon. Ikaw nga ang may tungkulin sa aming lahat eh. Kaya proud na proud ako sa'yo. We love you! Thank you po!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya. Oh.
Happy birthday, Justin. Naway mag-aaral ka na mabuti at matapos mo ang iyong pag-aaral at makakuha ka ng magandang trabaho para sa iyong magiging pamilya. At huwag ka magkasawang alagaan si Ashley hanggang sa paglaki niya. Happy birthday ulit. Love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Justin. More success. Hope your dream come true soon. Just stay. I love you. And we love you. Lolo Ed and Tita Fanny.
Happy birthday to Justin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Anong taon? Ilang taon ka na?
Happy birthday, Justin! Say happy birthday, Kuya Justin! We love you! Wishing you more happiness and more blessing in life. We're always here for you. We love and miss you. Flying kiss! Flying kiss, Kuya Justin! Flying kiss! Happy birthday, Kuya Justin! We love you! Wishing you... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Justin. We love you and we miss you. And I love you. Ano pa? Ganda nga mo.
Ayun.
Happy birthday, Kuya Justin. Love you.
Hoy, ang galing naman. Happy birthday din daw si KD. KD.
Happy birthday.
Ay, paano ba ako? Teka. Ay, paano ba yun?
Happy
Maandar na ba? Ayun.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Kuya
birthday,
Justin. Love you.
Ay,
And
di ba may
happy
kanta ka sa happy birthday? Sige.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
God bless you, Justin. Lagi ka maging healthy at masaya. Oo, pati si KD, o, tuntua. Happy birthday sa kaya Justin si KD. Oh, ayun.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. Okay. Sana makikita pa tayo sa iba, sa mga susunod taon. At sana pagputihin mo lang. Apo, I love you.
Happy birthday, Justin. Ingat palagi. Mag-aaral na po. Bye. Happy 21st birthday, Kuya Justin. Enjoy ka lang dyan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Justin! Lagi ka mag-iingat. At namimiss ka na namin. God bless you!
Hi Justin, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Congressman. Take care. God bless.
Hi Justin! Happy birthday! Thank you sa magandang childhood. Kasama ka. Ingat palagi.
Hi, Kuya Justin. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Hello Justin, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So, ayan, happy birthday. 21 ka na. Wow, debut. Ikaw ang debutant namin yan. Yeah. I hope you enjoy your day at sana magkita na tayo soon. Tayo na Tita Pani and we miss you. I miss din si Tita Pani, Tita Jose, Tita Bel, Astrid, Lolo Ed. And ayan, sana makauwi na kayo dito soon. And yeah, and mag-spend na tayo ng time together as pisa. Yes. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Big boy kaya. Be a responsible kuya. Happy birthday! And soon, magkasabay na tayo ng birthday. Happy birthday, Justin. Bye-bye! Surprise to eh. Bye-bye!
Hi Justin! Happy birthday! So, sana okay ka lang kung nasaan ka and stay safe. God bless you. Bye!
Hi Justine, I just want to greet you a happy birthday and I just wish na matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo, whatever or wherever you want it to be. I know you will be the most amazing person we will ever know. You can achieve bigger things in life. And sana, pag nagawa mo na yun, makabalik ka dito and we can hang out again just like the old times. Again, enjoy your day. Please take care always and happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday, Justin Kyle. I hope you are doing well and I hope na magkita-kita na ulit tayo soon.
Hi Justin! I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday and sana matupad ang lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. And stay safe kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Stay healthy and hoping to bond us soon. Again, a very happy birthday sa iyo, Justin!
Happy birthday, Justin! I hope na masaya ka ngayong 21 birthday mo. Sa wakas, sumapit na rin ang iyong legal age. Sana ay maging responsable ka pang lalo bilang anak, bilang kuya. Ganun din sa amin, pagpasensyahan mo na kung minsan ay madalas na makulit kami dito sa bahay. Sana ay maging, ano ba to? Sana ay, wish ko lang ay matulog ka na lagi na maaga. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At sana ay maging masaya ka naman sa iyong buhay, lalo na sa iyong pag-aaral. Wala na kaming mahihiling pa dahil alam namin makakatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. At napaka-swerte mo kung tutuusin dahil nakarating ka ng Amerika at lahat ng swerte ay makakamit mo at tagumpay. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!